Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to bisect this angle. And so what that's asking is it's asking us to mechanically, just using the compass and the ruler, to then bisect this angle in part and find the line here where these two angles are going to be equal. So a way to be able to accomplish this is just to be able to set the compass at any given point, create an arc there, and what that does is that creates 2 points, creates points A and point B here on that line. So from there, from point B, we can set that compass at any distance, as long as it's greater than the distance between the two. And we can create an arc there and arc there. And then from this point, and then the center of the angle, align these two. And then what we've got is we have those two angles there, which are precisely the same distance. If we're a little bit unsure about that, we can use our compass to check. It's a bit easier if they're the same size. We can create a mark there and a mark there, and they should be approximately the same distance, which it is. And so that is how you go around, go and bisect an angle. Cool. Thank you. I hope that was helpful.